Our users often ask about AI labels. Today, I'll answer that question and show how to turn a losing strategy into a winning one. Let's start with what AI labels are. AI labels is a feature for finding additional confirmations for signals. For each signal, we search for confirmations and display them with a number from 1 to 4. Each number represents a different confirmation method, not the signal's strength. These confirmations work differently on various charts, so we developed a method in our backtesting system to detect the most effective labels for each chart. This way, you get signals with additional confirmations. Let's go through a real example to see how this works and find the best settings on the chart. Here's our chart with regular signals. As you can see, the AI labels feature is turned off and our signals have no numbers. Let's enable AI labels and see how it looks on the chart. Now you can see a number inside each signal, indicating different confirmation methods. But how do we determine which label is more profitable? Let me show you. As you know, we have a backtesting system where you can find suitable settings for our signal indicator. You can also find the best labels for a specific chart there. Let's switch to a lower time frame like the 1-minute chart to show you how this works. We'll start the backtesting system and show you how to work with it. First, open the backtesting settings and enable the calculation of all AI labels values to see the results in the table on the right. On the 1-minute chart, entering all trades isn't very profitable. Let's try to improve this. Let's try disabling some of the non-working labels from the chart and see the result. We see in the table that labels 3 and 4 show positive results. Let's keep only those and see the outcome. Great. We now have profitable strategies on the 1-minute chart. But let's improve the win rate, currently at around 37%. We'll apply money management, set take profits, and move the stop loss to break even when the first take profit is reached to see if the win rate increases. The win rate has increased to 65%, which is impressive for a 1-minute chart. Our backtesting system also features label optimization, finding the most profitable combinations. Simply select label optimization at the top and check the results in the table. We see that adding the first label to the current settings provides a small profit increase. Using label optimization, you can make your strategies even more profitable by identifying which labels are beneficial and which aren't. I hope you found this video helpful and don't forget to like it. See you in the next videos.